Hi, I am Vishal and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana, and right now I am pursuing mechanical engineering here at Bennett University. I've joined Bennett University last year, and so far it's been quite an enriching experience here. And even here in the mechanical department, the faculty is quite supportive, and the main part which I like about Bennett University is the fact that along with the theoretical education that we're getting, equal importance is also being given to the practical aspect of it. So we're having continuous lab sessions regularly, and we're also having regularly scheduled guest lectures, seminars, and also industrial visits, which enable us to interact with real-world professionals in the industry we aspire to be in. So overall, I think that it's a very good experience that I'm having here at Bennett University.